for Tiger Media Network. And I don't... Paano umabot ako din?
Formal muna.
Super tagal. Diba? Ate, kakain ng alak na Julia! Hinanap mo! I love it, Hello, Ivor.
Hi. Hello.
Hello. Hello, Hannah. Hi. Hello, everyone. So as you can see, I'm already on my TMN shirt, and I'm just going to have dinner with my friend before ako ma-stress out sa lahat ng schoolworks that I missed today. So yeah, see you sa dinner.
Baby, you'll get sick of being a monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
Hi guys, it's welcome walk day. Nandun po si Rachel, Irish's friend. Hello guys, ang haba ng pila. Ay, ang gulo na ng hair ko. O yan, finding classmates. Hello, Frizel! Oh my God.
Good morning guys, so I just finished my first biochem lab quiz and super saya ko kasi nakakasolve ako. Ayan, so yun. Ito lang naman do yung sinolve ko pero super happy ko. So yeah, I'm done. I'm just gonna take a bath. Nag-toothbrush ako guys, di lang halata sa voice but I still have colds. Pero usually ganito naman talaga yung boses ko sa umaga and my sister is still sleeping. So goodbye guys, I'm just gonna go take a bath and go to Hannah's.
Hello everyone! So tomorrow I'm going to have my first laboratory and we're doing it face-to-face. I think we are going to observe a sample of feces and we're gonna examine some parasites. So I'm so excited. I know ito lagi yung damit ko for the vlog but it's already August 25. And my last vlog update, I don't know, first week, second week of August. So, yun. Nalabahan naman na siya, guys. So, yeah, see you tomorrow. I hope I get to work up early. Yeah, kasi medyo nakakatamad talaga siya maligo here. And I'm not in my bed. It's Ayan's bed. Ito yung nasa taas. So, yeah, I'm staying here kasi medyo mas malamig dun sa baba. So, hindi ko kaya. Meron pa rin akong colds. Okay, so good night. My lips are so dry. Bye.
Hi guys! So, it's morning already. Hindi ko na ginawa yung makeup ko since it's not allowed inside the laboratory. And, yeah, I'm wearing my uniform right now and my nameplate. I'm really happy about it. And I'm glad nagkasya yung name ko. So, yeah, it's 6:33 and I have to go to the FLR building already. So, I'm gonna go. Kind of scary because there are news about kidnapping, ganyan-ganyan, all around FEU, belt actually. So, yeah. If you guys are watching this and you're living near UST, FEU, or any universities around U-Belt, you guys should take care. And alam ko meron ang app so you can monitor where your friends are. So yeah, sobrang take care talaga, guys. I'm gonna show you my uniform. I don't know really how to feel about it, but yeah, I'm kind of excited pa din. Yeah, sorry, the dorm is medyo magulo. Bye guys, I'm gonna go to school! Hi guys, so I'm here in UST already. Nakakahiya mag-vlog. But yeah, today is my first actual day. So, let's go get it! Sana may makita ko parasites later, mga tactical. Okay. Hello guys, we're the explorers. Uy, may nakita pa ako. Here. Ayan o. Ano yan? Preserved din. Ano ko? Dinosaur na yan, te.
Sa trabaho mo! Kapag may jowa ka na! Yun lang, happy first birthday, and i-enjoy mo muna.
Naligaw yung ano.
Ha?
Dinagdagan niya yung...
Nais kong magpakalasal dahil wala ka na. Hi guys, it's 9 o'clock. May bumabang boy para bantayan ako mag-review. Ayan o, I'm reviewing. And then this guy came para bantayan ako, right? Hi, Waki!
Good morning, guys, and welcome to a day in my life.
Ayan, scrunching.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it.
Hi everyone, so I just finished taking a bath and now I'm on my way to the gym. But before going there with my friends, I am going to treat Ayan for the first time sa angkong and she's gonna try it, yeah, for the first time nga. So, let's see.
Sige, tingin mo saan? Yan. Go, go. Pasok ka. Buti hindi masyadong tao. So guys, Ayan's gonna try my favorite first. Thank you po. Oh, so ito, you try this first. Yung fried siomay muna. Ay, hindi. Yung steamed siomay ito. Water ka pa? Okay lang po. Thank you po. Gawan mo naman ng sausawan. Yay! Go!
Hi guys.
Lahat. Dapat pala wala muna. Pangit niya mag-react guys. But yeah, super sarap. Oo, super sarap. And then me, I'm gonna try that because it's my first time trying that. Actually, lahat masarap guys. So, yan, mamaya na lang natin tanong yung rating niya.
Quail egg. Masarap mo angkong.
So, this is mine. Tapos yun yung kanya. Wow.
Hi guys! Gym day! Nice! Gym night. Hi guys, so I'm already on my way to the university because today is our practicals and I hope ma-recognize ko lahat ng parasites na inaral ko. Although I know that it's gonna be hard. Yeah, wish me luck. So, I'm gonna update you later, I think, after na ng practical. So, yeah, I'm gonna go meet my classmates and give them may mga nagpa-print sa akin. So,
Rizal! Hi guys! So, tapos na po kami mag-practicals. How was it? Nakakaiyak. Hello! Hi Hazel! Hi Abby! Hi guys! Ayan, magpipicture lang kami kasi.